Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and welcome to our journey for today. Our journey for today is we are going to vacation in the beach side of the Redsea here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So you can see the activities that we are going into this day until we will come back and return here in the city of Jeddah. Together with my friends, we will go there, and it's a very long journey. It's about 100 kilometers, but you can see the experience and also the fun of going to this place. Also, we are catching fish and other sea living creatures, and we will take our bike also and do some other stuff from there.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling.
We start travel about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and the weather now is very hot and extreme, and also there is a little bit of sunstorm or haze. We can feel the heat wave in our body even if the inside the car is air conditioned. And in the road also, some other drivers or some other friends, they don't know the road, so they are getting stuck, or we are always waiting each other so that nobody is lost.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. It gets too dark.
After traveling 100 kilometers, 1 hour we reach our destinations here in the sea. I'm starting to prepare our things so that we have a dinner first before we are doing our activity. So we will have an overnight in this area, swimming, fishing, and do some other activities, even exercise also. And we will start now with our dinner.
I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I
After finishing at dinner, we got some chill and relax. And then sometimes we plan our fishing. Together with my companion for today, Mr. Bin Batangens, Brad TBB, and Atiya, we go to catch some fish. And we know that I am in the mountainous area and I don't have experience how to catch this fish. And also I leave my glasses in my bag for the protection to the sea salt, because maybe it will get destroyed, the metallic parts. And we catch some mini crabs, even though it is very difficult for me to see the crabs, but it is good experience or actual experience that you have or you join together in this kind of activities here in the Red Sea. After finishing, we catch the crab in the sea. We take a little bit rest so that we can wake up in the morning and feel the breeze of the sea, the wind, the humidity. It's type of very good mixtures of balance natures. We take our coffee so that we can go straight and have energy to start this day with a little bit of exercise and also go for swimming. Our other friends, they go for biking, but my bike was stolen yesterday, so I decided to have a run in this vast desert.
I feel like I'm in a cage. The the walls, they keep closing in. I need a place where I can breathe. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me swim deep, find a better way. Something to light up a spark again. So lift me up.
Unfortunately, I stopped running because I feel some pain in my ankle because I lift my shoes and I wear only. So I decided to stop this running and continue for swimming.
Need you to hold your breath. When do you reach deeper and we? It's time to leave. It's time to break free from the shallows.
We will try to swim and also a little bit cold. The sun is not coming out that much. It's like glowing. It's like a sunstorm.
Whatever means it's time to break free from the shallows.
The temperature now of the water is very nice and it is balanced, not so cold and also not too hot. The Red Sea is rich in many fishes and other organisms, and also the some part is very deep in this area. The water here, because of the wind, is not so clear, but sometimes when you have a calm weather is very clear. But it is good to swim in this area because the sea will give you refreshment and also relaxation.
It's time to say goodbye, leave it all in your dogs are we.
We do some fishing here, but unfortunately we don't take too much fish because the wind is so strong. That's why we only got 2 fish.
Shallows, whatever means it's time to break free from the shallows. Shallows, it's time to leave, it's time to break.
The wave is not big, but it's pushing you to the deep water, so you must be very careful with it. Now the sun is getting high and you can show you see the cold. We decided to go earlier because the temperature is very hot, and now we are traveling through this vast desert.
But somewhere down the line, we changed and we grew and we fell out of touch as time goes by. Still I'm holding on to you. I know that it's time for me to let you go. I know that it's time for...
In this place is very popular, this sunken ship. This ship is already the sanctuary of the fish. We don't go here because there are many people already in this side. And once again, thank you for joining us in our video, and you can help to improve this video by liking, and also you can subscribe to this channel. You can click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there is new video coming. And once again, this is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz saying, leave your stress behind the road.
I used to stand by you. Now I'm only holding on to a bittersweet memory of you. Oh, I wish it wasn't true.